What can one block of wood become? In this video from Crafted Wood Studio, we explore the quiet transformation of a simple piece of wood into something meaningful and visually striking. This is more than a process, it's a journey of creativity, patience, and discovery. Watch as raw material reveals its hidden beauty through careful shaping, thoughtful design, and attention to detail. Every grain pattern, every curve, and every finish tells a story of transformation and craftsmanship. If you enjoy creative design, woodworking inspiration, and the art of turning simple materials into something extraordinary, this video is for you. Subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more original content that celebrates creativity and design. Share this video with friends and family who appreciate handmade creations and thoughtful craftsmanship. Let's continue exploring the endless possibilities, one piece at a time. There's something quietly powerful about a single block of wood. At first glance, it seems simple, solid, still, unremarkable. But hidden within its grain is a world of possibilities waiting to be revealed. Every curve, every line, every subtle variation in texture tells a story that hasn't yet been brought to life. And today, we're stepping into that moment where imagination meets material, where something ordinary begins its transformation into something unforgettable. It all starts with a vision. Not a perfect, fully formed idea, but a feeling. A spark. The kind that makes you look at a raw piece of wood and see more than what's there. Maybe it's the way the grain flows across the surface, or how the light catches a natural edge. These small details guide the process, shaping decisions before a single tool even touches the surface. Then comes the first cut. It's always the most decisive moment. There's no undoing it, only moving forward. The sound of the blade slicing through wood breaks the silence, marking the beginning of transformation. What was once a single, untouched block is now evolving, slowly revealing its hidden character. As the shaping continues, something interesting happens. The wood begins to respond. Each pass of a tool exposes new patterns, new textures. Some areas are smooth and predictable, while others surprise you, knots, swirls, and subtle imperfections that demand attention. Instead of resisting them, the process embraces them. These natural features aren't flaws, they're the essence of what makes each creation unique. And that's where true craftsmanship comes in. It's not about forcing the wood into a rigid idea. It's about working with it, understanding its strengths, respecting its limits, and allowing it to guide the design. Every movement becomes intentional. Every adjustment is a conversation between maker and material. Slowly, the form begins to emerge. Edges soften. Surfaces refine. The rough, blocky shape gives way to something more fluid, more expressive. What once felt heavy and static now carries a sense of motion and balance. It's no longer just wood, it's becoming something meaningful. But the transformation doesn't happen all at once. There are moments of pause. Moments to step back, to observe, to rethink. Sometimes a small change can shift the entire direction of the piece. And that's part of the process, the willingness to adapt, to explore, to let creativity evolve naturally rather than forcing it into a predetermined outcome. Then comes the detailing. This is where patience truly matters. Fine adjustments, subtle refinements, and careful attention bring depth and personality to the piece. The smallest details often have the greatest impact, turning something well-made into something truly memorable. As the surface becomes smoother, the wood begins to reveal its full beauty. The grain, once hidden beneath rough cuts, now flows freely across the form. Patterns emerge like natural artwork, lines that curve, intersect, and dance across the surface. No two are ever the same. This is where the uniqueness of each creation truly shines. And then, finishing. It's the moment that brings everything together. The application of oil or finish doesn't just protect the wood, it enhances it. Colors deepen. Contrast increases. What once looked muted now comes alive with richness and warmth. It's almost like seeing the piece for the first time. Light reflects differently. Details stand out. The entire form feels complete, as if it has finally become what it was always meant to be. But beyond the physical transformation, there's something deeper happening. This process is a reminder that creativity doesn't come from complexity, it comes from perspective. A single block of wood holds endless possibilities, not because it changes, but because we choose to see it differently. That's the beauty of craftsmanship. It's not about having the perfect material or the perfect plan. It's about exploring what's possible with what you have. It's about turning limitations into opportunities and discovering potential where others might not look. And in a world that often moves too fast, this kind of work offers something rare. A chance to slow down. To focus. To create with intention. Every step in the process requires presence. There's no rushing through it, no skipping ahead. Each stage builds on the last, forming a connection between idea and execution that can't be replicated by shortcuts. And that connection is what makes each piece special. Because in the end, it's not just about what you create, it's about how you create it. The time, the care, the decisions made along the way, all of it becomes part of the final result. So the next time you see a simple block of wood, take a moment to imagine what it could become. Not just one thing, but many things. Endless possibilities, shaped by creativity, guided by patience, and brought to life through craftsmanship. And maybe, just maybe, it will inspire you to see the world a little differently, to recognize the hidden potential in the ordinary, and to appreciate the beauty of transformation in its purest form. If this journey sparked your curiosity or gave you a new perspective, consider becoming part of the Crafted Wood Studio community. There's always more to explore, more ideas to discover, and more transformations waiting to unfold. And if you enjoyed this experience, share it with someone who appreciates creativity and thoughtful design. Sometimes, a simple idea can travel further than we expect. Don't forget to like the video if it inspired you, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more stories where raw materials turn into meaningful creations. Because here, every piece begins the same way, with a single block of wood. And the endless possibilities it holds.